In this video, we are going to discuss the Scenario Manager in Microsoft Excel. So, what is Scenario Manager in Excel? Scenario Manager is a what-if analysis tool in Excel. It will help to create different scenarios or comparison. Scenario Manager in Excel allow you to change or substitute input values for multiple cell maximum up to 32. Therefore, you can view the result of different input values or different scenarios at the same time. In this video, we are discussing the Scenario Manager in Excel. So right now we have this data which belongs to the month of July. So the company product income in month of July, it is 50,000. The service income, it is 25,000. Income from other sources, it is 15,000. So the overall company income for the month of July, it is 90,000. And then company paid different expenses like rent, electricity, mobile, internet, water, traveling expenses, fuel, repair and maintenance, and the company loan. So the overall company expenses for the month of July, it is 69,450. So the income left, that is 20,550. So the finance manager of the company, he wants to cut down different expenses to increase the company income. So to do this, we have a feature in Excel which is called Scenario Manager. So we can create different scenarios or comparison. For example, this is our budget for the month of July. These are the actual income or expenditures for the month of July. Now we are going to plan the data. We are going to do planning for the month of August and for the month of September. So for that purpose, we need to create Scenario Manager in Excel. So how we can do it? You need to click on this Data tab. In this Data tab, under this What If Analysis, we have first option which is Scenario Manager. Before starting this Scenario Manager, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna name the cells, right? I'm gonna name these expenses. I'm gonna name this income also. So how we can do it, like you need to click this 50,000 which is B2. So here in this name cell, in the name bar, you can enter it is product underscore income. Press enter. Then I'm gonna enter the same for the service income. I need to name the cell. So click here, it is service underscore income. Then click here, you can enter income from other underscore sources. Enter. Then you need to name all the expenses as well. So click here, B8, click here, that is rent. Enter. Then click here, it is electricity. Enter. Then this is mobile. Enter. Internet. Enter. Then we have this water. This is called naming the cell. Click here. This is traveling. Enter. Then we have fuel expenses. Enter. We have repair and maintenance. Press enter. And then we have a company loan. Press enter. I'm gonna name this one total underscore expenses. Enter. And income left. Press enter. So this is how you will name the cell in Excel. Now I'm gonna do the Scenario Manager. So you need to click this option, you need to click this Data tab, and under this Data tab we have What If Analysis, and under this What If Analysis we have first option which is Scenario Manager. So click here. So when you click here, So when you click here, this dialog box, the Scenario Manager dialog box, it will open. So right now it said that no scenarios defined. So I want to add the scenario, so you need to click this add option here. Okay, and you need to give the scenario name. So I'm gonna give actual or actual budget July, and I'm gonna change the cell from this B8 till B16, and you can write here that like you can enter additional comment as well. And protection is that you want to prevent the changes, so you can check this option and press OK. So when you press OK, these are the that expenses value which we incurred in month of July. So we paid rent 18,000, the electricity is 2,500, mobile is 1,250. So these are the values which we incurred in month of July. So all you need to do, just press OK. So when you press OK, this scenario is added in our scenario manager window. Now next scenario, or that the plan value I need to enter for the month of August. So you need to click this add again, and I'm gonna enter August budget. That is the scenario for the month of August. Changing cell, and I'm gonna change the cell from this B8 till B16, and then press OK. So that is a rent is a fixed cost, and then we have electricity. Okay, let's suppose we're gonna cut down this electric cost to 2200. We have mobile expenses, we are cutting down that mobile expenses to 1000. We have internet, which is a fixed cost. Water, let's suppose we're gonna reduce 100. Traveling expense, we're gonna reduce 6500. Fuel is 10,000, we can cut down to 9,000. We have repair maintenance, we're gonna cut down this cost as well to 6,000, and this loan is fixed, and then press OK. So that is a scenario for the month of August. Then again you can add another scenario or comparison for the month of October. So that is scenario name you need to enter September budget, and changing cell is the same, and then press OK. So that is a rent is fixed. Electricity cost we're gonna reduce further to 2000. Mobile expense is same, we're gonna reduce this to 1000. Internet is fixed. Water is 1000, we are further reducing it. Traveling expense reduces to 5000. Fuel we are further reduces to 8000. Repair maintenance, that is again we are reducing it to 5000, and the loan amount that is fixed. And then you need to press OK here. So when you press OK, so another scenario is added for the month of September. So this is how you can add scenarios in Scenario Manager in Excel. Now we have different options. You can merge these scenarios, or you can create a summary of the scenario. I want to create a summary of the scenario of all these scenarios, like a comparison. So you can click this option, summary. Click here, and we have two options here. You want to see summary, a scenario summary, or you want to create scenario pivot table report. So I want to create this scenario summary right now. So result cell. So I want to check the total expenses and the income left, and press OK. So when you press OK, so it will create a scenario summary in another sheet. So right now you can see these are the current value, and that is our actual budget for the month of July. So you can do a comparison. We created a scenario that what if we cut down our budget in month of August. So it is like you can see the rent is 18,000, it is fixed. Electricity we reduces from 2,500 to 2,200. Mobile we reduces from 1,250 to 1,000. So you can see here the total expenses in month of July, it is 69,450, which we plan to reduce to 65,300. And in September we further reduces, we cut down the cost of expenses from 69, which is in July. In September we are planning it will be 61,500. And the income left in month of July, it is 20,550. As per our plan data, the income left in August will be to 24,700, and for September it is 28,500 if we go with this plan data for the month of August and month of September. So this is how you can create different scenarios. You can create multiple scenarios in Excel through this scenario manager feature, which you will find in the what if analysis tool. Hopefully you will understand this scenario manager. If you have any question, you can ask us the question in the comment section.